Hello, amazing artists. Today you are going to try and finish your leaves. So you will Sharpie, color, then cut. We are coming around to hole punch your work. That way we can hang it by some of these pipe cleaners with the wire in them. And then you'll be able to decorate with some pony beads, and we're gonna attach it all to a stick. Yes, that's right, a stick. And in order to hang them, we'll have a string attached to your stick on the other side. And so we know whose each one is. We have made these double-sided name tags made out of thick paper. So you will have the string with your name tag, and we're going to put it through that hole carefully, and we're gonna tie these on. And that way you can hang them up in your house, especially for the fall break. So just to show you how to start attaching these things, you're gonna have your finished leaves. Here's all of mine. I have all kinds of words written in them of everything I am so grateful for. And you're gonna have lots of different sizes and colors available to you for these pipe cleaners. Please know that having different sizes is going to make your art look even more interesting. So depending on how many leaves you have, you may wanna space them out on the stick. And then you can also have a container full of different beads. Now, some of these beads might be too small for putting them on here. That's okay. Just don't use those. So I'm going to start by putting the pipe cleaner through the hole, and you can see there's some space here. I want to bring it about an inch out, I guess. And then I'm going to fold it. I'm trying not to tear my paper, and I'm going to fold it up to meet the other side. So you definitely want a little bit of space above the leaf on the end that you just folded. And then we're going to twist these. So I'm going to hold both sides with my helper hand, and then I'm going to twist the metal wire around, being careful not to poke myself, and then twisting it so it ends up being part of the other long one. Ooh, that's looking cool. And then this is when you can start putting beads on. You might think about patterns or colors, but do it fast, because we want to send these home with you. Yeah, you might have some interesting bigger beads. That's cool. Do you have to use any beads at all? I mean, if you're low on time, maybe not, but do you have to fill the whole thing up with beads? No, because you may not have time for that. So then you need to find where you want it, and you need at least another couple of inches to wrap it around your branch. So it might, so hopefully it will fit all the way around. So I'm gonna put mine here in the middle, and I'm gonna make sure this is pointing down just like my other one. And I want to do the same thing where it attaches to itself. So I definitely need some space, and I want to make sure that it can wrap around. Ooh, that's really short, but I think I can make it work. No, I think that's a little too much. I'm going to take off a couple of beads and put them back in that container, not on the table or the floor, and that way I have more room to attach it. So I'm going to wrap it around. Ooh, yeah, that's plenty of room now. And then I can just hold it on the stick and use one hand to twist it around and make it tight. Oh, very cool. So they're at different lengths. That's interesting. All right, I'm gonna keep attaching everything and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Well, now that's just lovely. I decided as I was hanging these that I kind of wanted a pattern of short, long, short, long, short. And I mean, you do not have to do a pattern like that. I just think that's the way my leaves look nicer hanging. And so if yours is like hanging backwards like this, all you need to do is just twist it. Don't twist it by the paper, but hold on to the metal wire and then twist it and physically turn it around. And here's how it looks. Wow, that's so nice. So if you finish all of that and you would like to decorate the back of your leaves, turn it around and you can color on the backs. And it's okay if you cover up your name because your name and class code will already be on the tag. Let's see what it looks like all colored. All right, check that out. It's hanging and it has my name. Yours will have your class code as well. And all my leaves are facing me. I have all these beads and pipe cleaners and my leaves are hanging. That looks so nice. And on the back, I have them all colored. That is lovely. All right, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.